Hello, Stephen again here. This video is designed to give you just a little bit of insight into the Naviance Success Planner tool. Now, I know that every state has different mandates or recommendations as it relates to four-year plans, student success plans. Some states call them ILPs, SSPs, you name it. There's all different acronyms. But basically, the whole purpose of this is recognizing that there are certain activities students should be doing at each grade level to prepare them for that next step, whether that's college, career, or otherwise. And so we have our own list of recommended activities that students should be completing. Right now it's grades 6 through 12. We are working on an elementary school solution to have a K through 5 curriculum that should be coming out this late summer, early fall. But right now, focusing on what are those activities that students can be doing to prepare themselves and to start thinking about their future. So I can send this document to you if you would like. Please do let me know. I'm happy to include this and give you some of our recommendations, which mostly come from the American School Counselor Association, ASCA, NOSCA, or Common Core standards. On the Naviance side, there's a family connection portal. In that portal, there's this My Planner tab, which is where the bulk of students' success planning tasks will be located. And in this case, this is an example of a senior, and you'll see that they have a few tasks like build a resume, create a four-year plan, or in some cases, update the four-year plan, learn about graduation requirements, complete community service. Really, these can be whatever you would like. In each of these tasks, they can also ask questions, add in comments, or even upload files, and then essentially mark them as complete. Once they've been marked as complete, the administrative side has a lot of reports and information that they can use to make sure that students are on track. Some of these other smaller tabs within it are to-do lists, goal setting for having academic or career graduation goals, etc. And these can all be SMART goals as well. But ideally, this is their planner, their agenda of those broader, longer-term goals to help them stay organized. Switching gears to the administrative side, on the Success Plan tab within a student's profile, this is going to have those same set of activities that are current or have been completed for the student. So you can see when they completed it, any details if they did attach any documents, what program this task is a part of. And overall, the programs are, it's a great way for you to actually assign a set of tasks or activities to a subset of students or a student group. So in this case, you have maybe your set of grade 10 activities. You might have some specifically for student athletes, for at-risk students, but for each of these programs, we have a few out of the box for you by grade level, but you can add and sort of modify from there. When it comes to training, we actually have a total of 9 or 10 courses available for all different topics on Naviance, and we'll talk a little bit more about PD options here in a different video. But there is one specific to success planning with Naviance that is covered, and a number of your school counselors should be involved in that. In some cases, you might want someone at the district level involved as well, but that is not mandatory. On the reporting side, we give you actually access to over 85 total reports and the ability to customize your own, but there is a section called Planner Reports, and that is where you can see current task completions, goal categories, program completion status, etc., and even create your own reports for certain areas that you're trying to track. And in this case, ILP is Individual Learning Plan Progress. And you can see for each student by grade what percentage they've completed of the assigned tasks. So all these reports are very easy to manipulate and manage on your own, and you can export them into CSV. You can email it out or schedule it to show up in your inbox on a regular basis. But lots of information on student success plans, and definitely a lot more covered in that 2-hour training.